And I welcome you all in my new video. So in this video you'll see the analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. So let's start with the analysis for Nifty for today. So as you have seen, the market has been very much volatile nowadays, and today we got a gap down opening, but after that market didn't sustain that gap down and we got a good up move both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's see, like, for tomorrow what can be the levels we are looking for Nifty. So if we talk about Nifty, so as you can see that Nifty was not able to sustain. If we see the levels for Nifty, so we can say 17,300 will act as an immediate resistance for Nifty as of now for tomorrow on the intraday basis. And on the downside, we can still say the Nifty is sustaining 17,100 levels. So one thing to consider in this is that today we have a TCS result, so this might impact Nifty again. So that we have to see that this condition can come up, but these are the levels which I discussed for the intraday. So this, if it breaks above this level, then we can see and able to sustain. So I always mention in my videos, and whenever I give some calls on my Twitter as well, I already mention that it should sustain above that level. And it's just not that even on expiry days, if it moves around that and it comes down, so we have to wait for that. It's not that it touches this level and then you are exiting your position. That can't be done, especially on expiry day. So you have to wait for that levels, that it should sustain that level, and after that if it comes down, then obviously it has rejected that levels. So these are the levels we need to check for Nifty for tomorrow. Now let's see about Bank Nifty. So if I talk about Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty gave a very good up move. So on opening, as you saw, that calls almost overnight who have shorted calls, the calls have already decayed, and it was the best decision to book the calls during opening, because keeping the calls would have given you a huge amount of loss. So that's what I mentioned today on my Twitter timeline as well. So I have overnight calls, and in fact I have put as well sold. So I booked my call because there was no premium left almost in that. You can see here, so for Bank Nifty, as you can see, Bank Nifty already took a good support at 38,500 level, and that's what I mentioned on my Twitter timeline as well. The 38,500, it is supporting. Until the time it breaks this level, I am not going to exit my puts. So it took a support from this level, and after once it broke 38,800, it took a very good up move here, and we could see that it moved till 39,300 levels. But 39,300 being the intraday resistance, it didn't able to sustain there, and it immediately started coming down, but it closed above 39,000 level. So what level can we expect for tomorrow? So obviously for tomorrow, again 38,800 I will suggest as a immediate support for Bank Nifty. But on the upper side, obviously 39,300 will act as a resistance. But given the current market is too volatile, you have to be very cautious while taking your position. It's better that you keep your positions little mild during this volatile week, because there are news also coming up about the war and all those conditions are there. So keeping all those things in mind, your position size should be accordingly. So this is for Bank Nifty. Now let's talk about Finnifty as well. Tomorrow is a Finnifty expiry. So if I talk about Finnifty, yes, obviously Finnifty also behaved in the same way, but the levels I am looking for tomorrow is 17,700 is something the immediate resistance for Finnifty for tomorrow, and 1700, 550 and above will be something, will act as a almost 17,600 will act as a immediate support for Finnifty. As Finnifty, as you know, it's volatile and the range doesn't go wider, so we have to work around this range. And as I mentioned in my previous videos as well, that Finnifty is quite volatile, so you have to manage your positions accordingly. But yes, during the expiry there are good opportunities when you can enter the in option buying in Finnifty, and that gives a very good profits in Finnifty. So these are the levels for Finnifty. So hope you like the video. If you like, please do subscribe to my channel and please give a thumbs up to this video. So see you again, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you.